Hello, everyone. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Happy Sunday. All right, I thought today we can set up the advent calendars. This is so exciting. So I just thought I'll unbox everything with you guys and we can set them up. I'm so excited. I love advent calendars. I've been doing them for years and years. We just did the chocolate ones as a kid, and I just freaking love the heck out of it. But as an adult, you grow up and you realize there's actually so many more types of advent calendars that you can do. Okay, so the first one is Nespresso. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I've done Nespresso before years ago, and then I haven't done it for the last couple of years. So I just thought we can do this one this year. Ooh la la. I am very excited. It looks really cute. Okay. And then I also have some Christmassy mugs here. So I thought we could use them in this little setup here. Since I've got coffee, it'll be nice to have some cute mugs as well. Whoop. Little packaging. You guys need to see these. These are from Costco. And they're really well packaged, which is a good thing for... Oh, I can't seem to pull them out. Hold on, you guys. I need to see what's going on here. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna ruin this box, which I don't want to do. But like, how the heck does this come out? It's like so bittersweet because you obviously want everything very well packaged. Okay, you know what? That's just gonna have to be a later project because I'm too impatient. Next one is also from Costco, and it's an advent calendar that I've thought about doing forever, but have just never ever gotten around to it. And it is a reveal time. Oh, so cute. Hold on. I need to show you guys this advent. It is a jigsaw puzzle advent calendar. OMG, Zed. Making a mess everywhere. All right, so it is the 24 jigsaw puzzle calendar. Does that not look so cute or what? I got the Christmas memories one. Here's a little close up. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is just going to be the cutest hobby ever type calendar. And then of course, I had to get the classic Lent advent calendar. I cannot not get this. This is my absolute favorite one. I've done a few different ones, but Lind always wins. And the Lind Teddy especially always wins. So this is also from Costco. All right, now let's set up our little system here. So I'm going to open the packaging very carefully without altering. Oh, I think the knife might be better. The X-Acto knife might be better for this because, you know, you can just, there we go, pierce through that cellophane. Oh my gosh. It's like Christmas morning, you know, but better because this is for the entire month of December. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. That is stunning. Do I want to keep it open? Do we want to keep this open? I don't know. Oh, that does look so stinking cute. Okay, let's get the cellophane off of the lint one as well. Ooh. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I think we're gonna have to close the puzzle one because the lint is just so cute. Okay, so let me see here. We'll keep the chocolate one in the background like that. The these are also big, which obviously I love that, but that's also making this a little bit tricky. And then I think I want the coffee one because that's like the first thing I'm gonna do on an angle as well, like that. So let me get the cups out of the way. Oh, that looks adorable, but the puzzle is definitely blocking the chocolates. I'm gonna have to keep like taking it out and putting it back in. I don't, but I mean that's the size of my table, which is a normal. It's a normal size table, y'all. I don't know what to say. Okay, I am going to unbox these mugs and be right back. Okay. Oh my God. I got the cups out. They were really, really well packaged, which I do appreciate because then it makes sure that they don't break. Look how cute, you guys. I'm going to put these in the dishwasher in just a minute. I just want to show you guys what they look like all stacked up. And there they are, all four of my cups. And I also have a stackable stack from prior years that one of my friends actually gifted me. And I love these. So we'll wash these again because they've just been sitting, oop, um, sitting in storage for a year. So I'll get those washed up. And then let's open up the Nespresso just out of the packaging. Ooh, that seems easy. And there we have it. And there's your number one. So this is what my setup is looking like. We've got the coffee and the lint and the jigsaw puzzles and our two towers of cups. This is so freaking cool and I'm so excited and I can't wait to get started. We open the first one tomorrow. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my stock of advent calendars. Let me know if you are doing any advent calendars this year and what they are, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.